So here we have a Xbox 360, and the problem is the CD drive's not coming out. To open it up, you have these covers on the side, and then the front plastic thing comes off. Then on the front there's these little clips that you can unclip to kind of like separate this plastic bezel. Okay. It's been ages since I've took apart the 360 models. Years ago. A little tricky. Now, where are we? We have to take off these screws here at the end. So it's these kind of greenish ones. I think it's the silver ones. We'll get this ice cube tray here. So the silver ones are the screws that go right to the other side. Okay. So we'll remove them first. Okay. Yep. And that will make it so that we can access now this thinking. Yes. Interesting. Alright, there we go. Now I do have a replacement drive. I don't know if it's going to work, but it may. This one kind of lifts up, and it has two connectors. It has the SATA drive and then the power one. We can open it up and have a look. Okay, it has 4 screws here. And that will enable us to take off the top case. Alright, so there's the laser head and all that. I'm going to try to install it. Okay. Okay, we'll start it here. So it took me forever to get this machine working. This tray wasn't coming out. Now it is. I tried switching with the other one, but it wasn't reading CD, and Xbox 360s are getting older. But it was just totally dirty inside, and I had to put a little bit of oil on the gears, get it cleaned up along the edges because it wasn't even coming out proper. But now it is. Just using some Q-tip and isopropyl alcohol should be fine. So there we go. Tray is opening now, closing nicely.